There you go.
Let's do this. Get a little readjustment.
Another chiropractic readjustment. Oh, they're training the lifeguards. It's such a pretty view. Look at that. Yeah! The wind is taking my shirt off. Yeah! Better in the front. How they never had someone touch the roof of that tunnel? Seems like people would be burning their fingers on it.
Yeah. Don't do it! I'm probably gonna come and see a show too.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, why not? One person.
Okay. I won't stop you. I just thought you guys wanted to ride.
Oh God.